Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to ask you one question. If you want to send a letter to your friend, which things do you require? Yes, absolutely correct. You require your friend's address and one postcard. In his address, you mention about his full name, house number, society name, area name, city name, and a state name. Suppose, by mistake, if you forget to mention any one of these, then what will happen? Yes, your postcard can't reach your friend. That means to locate your friend, a perfect address is needed. In the similar way, to locate an electron in an atom, quantum numbers are needed. So today in this video, we will learn about quantum numbers. So let's begin. Quantum numbers give information about position of an electron, energy of an electron, and spin of an electron. There are total 4 quantum numbers: principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Now, let us discuss about each quantum numbers in detail. We will start with principal quantum number. It is denoted by symbol small n. It describes about size of an orbit and energy of an electron. The value of principal quantum number can be any positive integer. Its value may be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. If the value of principal quantum number is 1, then it represents K shell, or you can call it as K orbit. Now, question may arise in your mind. What is the meaning of shell? Or what is the meaning of orbit? So, orbit or shell is a circular path of an electron in which it revolves around the nucleus. Now, let's see about the second value of principal quantum number. Suppose if n is equal to 2, then it represents L shell. If n is equal to 3, then it represents M shell. If the value of n is equal to 4, it represents N shell. As the value of n increases, the size of an orbit is also increases, and simultaneously the distance between the negatively charged electron and positively charged proton increases, and due to that reason the attraction between them decreases. So electrons will have higher energy. So we can say that with the increase in the value of n, the energy of electrons increases. Now, let us discuss about the next quantum number, that is angular momentum quantum number. It is also called as azimuthal quantum number or subsidiary quantum number. The symbol of angular momentum quantum number is small l. It decides geometrical shapes of orbitals. Now, question may arise in your mind. What is the meaning of orbital? So, the answer is orbital is an area in which the probability of finding an electron is maximum. The value of L is depend on the value of principal quantum number, and its value can be found out by the equation 0 to n minus 1. As we know that the lowest value of principal quantum number is 1. So for that value, let us find out the value of L. And let us substitute the value 0 to n minus 1. That means 1 minus 1. So for that, the value of L also becomes 0. Let us take the next value for principal quantum number, that is 2. For that, L has two values, 0 and 1. For n is equal to 3, angular momentum quantum number has three values, 0, 1 and 2. For n is equal to 4, angular momentum quantum number has 4 values 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now, let us see about the symbols for the subcells from the given value of L. If the value of L is equal to 0, it represents S subcell. If the value of L is equal to 1, it represents P subcell. If the value of L is equal to 2, it represents D subcell. And if the value of L is equal to 3, it represents F subcell. Now, the next quantum number is magnetic quantum number. When any charged particles like electrons are in a circular motion, they generate magnetic field, and the magnetic field value is represented by magnetic quantum number. The symbol of magnetic quantum number is small ml. It describes about orientation of orbital in space under the effect of magnetic field. The value of magnetic quantum number can be found out from the value of angular momentum quantum number. Its value is ranging from minus L to 0 to plus L, that is 2L plus 1. Suppose the value of angular momentum quantum number is 0. So for that, magnetic quantum number value will also 0. That means S orbital has only one subcell. Let us take the next value of L. Suppose L is equal to 1. For that, there are 3 values of magnetic quantum number: plus 1, 0, minus 1. It represents P orbital has 3 subcells, that is Px, Py and Pz. Let us take the next value of L. L is equal to 2. For that, ml has 5 values: minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. It means d orbital has 5 subcells: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. Now, the fourth quantum number is spin quantum number. Its symbol is small ms. In 1925, George Uhlenbeck and Samuel Goudsmit proposed the presence of fourth quantum number, which is known as spin quantum number. As we know that the earth has 2 types of motion. It revolves around the sun as well as it rotates on its own axis. In the similar way, electrons move around the nucleus and they rotate on their own axis. This axial rotation of electrons may be in a clockwise manner or in an anti-clockwise manner. They are also called as upspin of an electron and downspin of an electron. The upspin of an electron is represented by upside arrow and the downspin of an electron is represented by downside arrow. The value of upspin of an electron is plus half and the value of downspin of an electron is minus half. In a same orbital, both the electrons have always opposite spin. I hope you all enjoyed learning about quantum numbers. Thank you.